Did you know that sloppy maintenance causes over 75% of all roadside breakdowns? Most drivers believe their car is done once it hits 150,000 miles. That's a dangerous myth. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to push your vehicle well past 300,000 miles with zero major repairs. I'm also exposing one widespread myth that's quietly destroying turbo engines across the country. Stick around until the end for a dead simple bonus habit that most experienced owners completely overlook, yet it can easily save you thousands. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, don't follow the manufacturer's oil change intervals. On paper, those 10,000-mile recommendations look tempting: fewer trips to the shop, lower costs. In reality, they're a fast track to engine trouble. Car makers stretch intervals to make new vehicles seem cheaper to own, especially while they're still under warranty. But once that warranty ends, guess who pays for the damage? You. I've talked with master technicians and high-mileage drivers who have racked up hundreds of thousands of miles. Their consensus is clear: every 5,000 miles or 6 months with full synthetic is the smart move. This is especially true if you deal with stop-and-go traffic, towing, extreme heat, or dusty roads. Stick to the manual and you might save a couple of oil changes, but you're gambling with sludge buildup, failing seals, and eventually a complete engine rebuild that can run $4,000 or more. Manufacturer guidelines are broad averages, not tailored to real-world driving. If you want your engine to outlast the payments, stop treating the owner's manual like gospel. They sell new cars, they don't pay your repair bills. While we're talking fluids, there's another critical one most people neglect until it's too late. Habit number 2, change your transmission fluid. The average driver ignores the transmission until it starts slipping or shuddering. By then, you're not doing a simple service, you're looking at a full replacement. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid lives in a sealed system and quietly degrades over time. It can still look bright red and smell normal at 60,000 miles, but inside it's loaded with microscopic metal particles, clutch dust, and varnish acting like liquid sandpaper on your gears. Smart owners perform a drain and fill every 60,000 miles or 6 years, whichever comes first. Hybrids can sometimes stretch toward 90,000, but don't push your luck. Repairs start around $3,000 and climb fast. Important exception: never flush a high-mileage neglected transmission. You'll stir up debris that's been holding things together. If it's been maintained properly, a flush is fine. Always use the exact OEM spec fluid: Toyota WS, Honda ATF DW1, whatever your vehicle calls for. Cheap universal fluid can destroy expensive internals. Neglect this and your car might start fine, but it won't keep moving. I'll share a powerful tracking system at the end of this video that keeps every major service on autopilot. But first, habit number 3, coolant flush every 5 years or 50,000 miles. A lot of people think modern, long-life coolant lasts forever. It doesn't. After years of heat cycles, it turns acidic and starts eating your cooling system from the inside. We're talking corroded water pumps, ruined seals, clogged heater cores, and head gasket failures. White smoke from the tailpipe, random coolant loss with no visible leak, or mysterious misfires are all warning signs you waited too long. Doesn't matter if it's a Toyota, Ford, or hybrid with an electric pump, once coolant breaks down, everything downstream is at risk. Flush it every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Coolant is cheap, a new engine is not. Habit number 4, replace the timing belt before it fails. Be honest, when's the last time you thought about your timing belt? Most drivers don't until it snaps. This hidden belt keeps pistons and valves in perfect sync. When it breaks at speed, those components collide and you're looking at thousands in engine damage. Most vehicles need a new belt every 60,000-100,000 miles or 7-10 years, whichever comes first. Heat, oil seepage, and time age the belt even if you don't drive much. Don't wait for noise or warning lights, they often give none. Replace it on schedule, and while it's out, do the water pump and idler pulleys too. Prevention here is dramatically cheaper than the alternative. Habit number 5, keep spark plugs fresh. Worn spark plugs can cut your fuel economy by up to 30%. Weak sparks mean incomplete combustion, wasted gas, rough running, and lost power. Most cars need fresh plugs every 60,000-100,000 miles depending on the type. Iridium lasts longer than copper. Watch for rough idle, hesitation, misfires, or that raw fuel smell out the tailpipe. If you pull a plug and see oil or coolant on it, you've got bigger issues brewing. Stay ahead of this and you'll enjoy smoother performance and better mileage. Habit number 6, replace fuel filter at recommended intervals. Dirt, rust, and debris slowly choke your fuel filter until the pump has to work overtime. A $40 filter change can prevent a $500 1000 fuel pump failure. Most manufacturers suggest 30,000-60,000 miles. Older vehicles lean toward 30K, newer in-tank filters can go longer. Always relieve fuel system pressure first and work in a well-ventilated area. Gasoline fumes are no joke. Habit number 7, brake fluid flush every 2 to 3 years. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It absorbs moisture from the air. Over time, that moisture drops the boiling point dramatically, leading to soft pedal, longer stopping distances, or complete brake fade in heavy traffic. A cheap $22 brake fluid tester tells you the moisture level instantly. If it's over 3%, flush it. This is one of the most overlooked safety items on the road. Habit number 8, regular differential and transfer case service. These components transfer power to your wheels and take serious abuse. Change the heavy gear oil every 30,000-50,000 miles on rear wheel and all-wheel drive vehicles. It's straightforward. Drain old fluid, refill with the correct spec until it seeps from the fill hole. First time, have an experienced friend or mechanic supervise. Clean, fresh fluid prevents expensive wear on gears and bearings. Habit number 9, check and clean mass airflow sensor. A dirty MAF sensor throws off air-fuel calculations, causing hesitation, rough idle, poor economy, and check engine lights. Before buying a new one, remove it and clean the delicate wires with proper MAF sensor cleaner only, never brake or carb cleaner. Many sensors come back to life and save you hundreds. Habit number 10, replace PCV valve. A clogged PCV valve leads to oil leaks, excessive oil consumption, and crankcase pressure that can blow seals. Most vehicles need a new one every 30,000-50,000 miles. It's a 10-20 part that takes minutes to swap and keeps your engine breathing cleanly. Habit number 11, tire alignment every 15,000 miles or when steering feels off. Uneven tire wear, pulling to one side, or a crooked steering wheel all scream alignment issues. Ignoring it can cut tire life by 30% and hurt fuel economy. A $75 100 alignment is cheap insurance for longer tire life and safer handling. Habit number 12, avoid cold revving. When the engine is cold, oil is thick and hasn't circulated yet. Revving hard grinds metal on metal and accelerates wear on pistons, cams, and bearings. Start the car, idle 30-60 seconds, then drive gently until the temperature gauge moves. This is especially critical for turbo engines. Poor cold oil habits destroy most turbos. Habit number 13, wash undercarriage every season, especially in winter. Road salt, mud, and grime silently destroy brake lines, suspension components, exhaust, and frame rails. In snowy or coastal areas, wash underneath monthly during bad seasons. Out of sight should never mean out of mind. Bonus tip, keep a detailed maintenance log. Every oil change, tire rotation, filter replacement, write down the date and mileage. A simple notebook or phone app turns you into a detective when issues arise and proves you've cared for the car when it's time to sell. Dealerships respect it, buyers pay more for it, and it helps you spot problems early. Drop a comment which habit or hack surprised you most. If this helped, smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one where we tackle that sneaky cooling system issue. Your car will thank you and so will your wallet. Drive safe.